Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vanish Mode on Instagram. This feature allows you to send messages that disappear after they've been seen, creating a more private conversation. It's perfect for sharing quick, temporary thoughts without leaving a permanent record. We'll cover how to activate it, send messages, and then turn it off. To begin, open any existing direct message conversation on Instagram. Once inside the chat, simply swipe up from the very bottom of your screen. You'll see a confirmation message that Vanish Mode is now active, and the chat background will change to a darker theme, clearly indicating you're in this special, temporary mode. Now that Vanish Mode is active, you can send messages, photos, and videos just as you would in a regular chat. The key difference is that once the recipient views your message and closes the chat, or if Vanish Mode is turned off, those messages will automatically disappear, leaving no trace. When you're ready to exit Vanish Mode, simply swipe up again from the bottom of the chat screen. Alternatively, you can tap the Turn Off Vanish Mode button that appears at the top. The chat background will revert to its original look, and all the vanishing messages you sent will be permanently gone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.